Okay, so let us derive yung formula natin for the normal pressure angle na tangent ng normal pressure angle is equal to tangent ng transverse pressure angle times cosine ng LX angle. Okay? So kung titingnan natin dito sa figure, no? Kung halimbawa ito yung ngipin ng gear, okay? Pero mas maganda dito na lang. Ito yung ating front view. Sana yung ating front view. Yung front view na. Yan, front view ito. Okay? Then, ito naman yung line CP. Then, ito yung, kapag spar gear, ganito siya. Ngipin ito ng helical gear. Ito naman kapag spar gear. Okay? Kung mapapansin natin, kapag spar gear, BP. No? Then, kapag helical, CP. O yan yung ng force. Then kapag ka-spar gear ito ay P, and then kapag helical gears naman ay PN. Ayan. So anyway, dito tayo sa figure na ito sa prism. Okay? So tangent ng PN equals CG over opposite over adjacent. Ang adjacent natin ay GP, no? Okay. As well as yung cosine naman ng LX angle natin, that is equal to AP, ba? Over, tama. Over LX angle cosine over LX angle. AP, no. Tama, cosine. Tama. Okay, AP, yung kanyang adjacent, then yung kanyang hypotenuse ay GP pa rin. Then another is, pwede na ba yan? Yung tangent naman ng ito. Yung tangent naman ng pwede na ba to? Tama. Tangent naman ng LX angle is equal to VP over AP. Okay? AP. BA. AB. Tangent. VP. Mali ah. Tangent, kapag tangent is AB over AP. Okay, so yan. Tangent, ang CG natin pala class now, kung mapapansin natin, ang CG natin is equal to AB. Ayan. So, palitan lang natin pala si CG ng AB, which is ang AB natin is equal to AP tangent ng pressure angle. So, tangent ng normal pressure angle is equal to CG is equal to AB. Then, ang AB natin is equal to AP tangent ng pressure angle. So, this is CG, palitan natin ng AP tangent ng pressure angle divided by GP. Ang GP natin is ito. Ang GP is equal to AP over cosine. Then, ang GP natin ito. Ang GP natin is equal to AP over cosine ng LX angle. AP over cosine ng LX angle. Ayan. So, magkakancel tong AP na yan. Mangyayari, pupunta siya, magiging, ito kung iayos natin, itataas natin yung cosine ng rectangle, magiging ganito yung ating formula. So, yan yung derivation ng normal pressure angle.